Hi folks, I'm a little bit excited today as we've got this classic Ferrari to do, and I tell you what a beauty. And let's have a look at it. So right now he wants the seats doing, and if you have a look at them you can see they're well worn. I mean, the thing is with these classic cars, you know, a lot of people don't want them doing too well. They want the sort of natural creases in there because obviously it reflects the age. Okay, but you can see, look, there's a lot of grime, a lot of dirt. This is going to take us quite a while to, you know, to sort this one out. If we just go around here as well, you can see, look, that's quite bad. But I think with a lot of cleaning, a lot of prep, you know, and a nice colour, we should get these, you know, looking pretty good. Let's go around to the passenger side and let's have a look. You see the passenger side doesn't really get that much wear, so you can see, look, that it's not too bad. The customer's telling me that a mouse got in, so if you look very closely, look, you can see where it's had a bit of a nibble here, look, but a little bit of filler on there. Sand it down, we'll get those disappeared. Okay, so you can see that's not too bad there. All right, but yeah, let's have a look at this motor. I'm not quite sure, perhaps you viewers out there can tell us what this is. We know it's a Ferrari, obviously, but we don't know what model it is. So if you know what it is, then please let us know. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, Mobile Leather Repairs.co.uk. And if you wish to book us, 07904 640 389. Bye for now. Hi folks, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we've finished this Ferrari now. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Take a look at this. Do you remember how bad these seats were? Look at this. Leaves coming in there, look. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. That looks the absolute business. There's a little bit of sun on there. Let me do it from here as well. There you go, look, you can see a lot better. There you go. All the cracks now gone. Few slight creases, but you expect this with a car of this age. There we go. Let's go around the other side. So excited to do this car. There you go. That is pretty much like a brand new seat. Look at that. Look at that. This is what makes you proud to do this job, guys. Absolutely great. Look at that. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileletherrepairs.co.uk. If you want to book us, 07904 640 389. And bye for now, folks.